Hello viewers, my name is GEOCAN and I welcome you to Solve Math. Yes, I must say that I'm quite excited when it comes to this particular topic, that is finding or calculating the interior angles of triangles. Now, feedback coming from my viewers is quite encouraging, telling me to solve more examples on that, and you are really enjoying that. I'm quite humbled, and I'll urge you to be following it as you've always done. Good. Let's move on to the board as well and solve more questions on that. As I said, interior simply means inside. So in this context, we are calculating the what? The angles, or finding an angle inside a triangle, which is so easy, right? Good. Instructions are so essential. So what is the question seeking or requesting from us? That we should find the value of B in the triangles below. Now, B is just an angle. Yes, B is an angle here, B is an angle here. So we are supposed to find the value. Now, but before that, you have to know a particular rule, which goes that when you sum or add up all the interior angles of a triangle, it should give you 180 degrees. And that is what, or the rule you should know about, in order to make it easy for you to find the value of B. So let's do that. Now, we have our solution, meaning how we solve it. So easy. So let's add, we have here 46 degrees plus what? 75 degrees plus what we have here, B, should be equal to 180 degrees. That's the first step. Second step, we have 46 and 75 here, so we can add them, right? So 46 plus 75 degrees is 6 plus 5 is what? 11. 1, remember 1 here. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7. So 7, we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 plus 7 will give us what? 12, right? Good. So we have 1, 2. Good. So we have 121 degrees here. That is the 46 plus the 75. Then plus your what? The B. Don't forget. Plus your B should be equal to, in line, 180 degrees. Remember, we are searching for the value of B, meaning B should stand alone. And if here we have 121 degrees closer to B, so we are supposed to subtract 121 degrees from both sides, both right and both left, in order for B to stand alone. So let's do that. So we have 121 degrees minus 121 degrees, as I said. Then plus your B, nicely written, then it's equal to 180 degrees minus 121 degrees. Good. Now, 121 minus 121 degrees is 0. So just forget about it. Don't write it. 0 is nothing. Then you have what? Your B is so essential. It's equal to 180 degrees minus 121 degrees. Let's solve that. 180 degrees minus 121 degrees. 0 minus 1, not possible. Go and borrow 1 from here to be left with what? 7. That one turns into 10. Add it to the 0, will give you 10, right? So 10 minus what? 1 will give us 9. Now we have 7 here. It's no longer 8, right? 7 minus 2 will give you what? 5. And now 1 minus 1 here is 0. So you don't write it. 059 is what? Is 59. So what it means that you get 59 degrees. 59 degrees. As I said, 1 minus 1 is 0. And anytime you have 0 in front of any number, it's still that number. If you have 07, it's still 7. If you have 092, it's still 92. So if you have 059, it's what? 59 degrees. So what it means is that the value of B here is what? 59 degrees. As I told you earlier on, if you really want to check your answer, add 46 plus 75 plus B, which is what? Plus 59 degrees. And it should be able to give you 180 degrees, meaning you are on track. Yes, I'll urge you to pause the video and try your hands on question 2, that we have B, 77 degrees and 50 degrees. And when we return, we shall solve it. It's Solve Math. Love.